So, Sound Mystic Part 4. This is wonderful. We are on to the subject of silence. And indeed, silence is the greatest of all mysteries. It was once at the end of a sound bath when I realized that, in fact, silence is the great source of all. It's almost like the actual womb of all creation is silence. And in breaking silence, we're actually tarnishing that source and that perfection. Everything must emerge from silence. And with that understanding, silence, therefore, is the one true sovereign. The path upon which we walk and think and speak and tread, and every movement, action, every vibration that we make is emerging from silence. How often do we consider that our words are breaking something? How often do we consider that our thoughts are also interrupting something? Our movement, everything that we bring into existence and everything that we bring vibration to, we bring word to, is disturbing something else. There are so many stories that begin with, in the beginning, there is a word or a vibration or a logos in the beginning. But what's to say that there wasn't already something before that beginning? There must have been something before that for it to take its place. Or if in the beginning there was a vibration, what was it vibrating on? Silence is the one true mystery. And I wonder if you can contemplate silence for a few minutes by first of all noticing everything that is not silence. You don't need to begin to go deep with this. Just first of all, look around you and notice everything that isn't silence. I'm noticing lights in my room. I'm noticing sounds and sights around me, peripheral and frontal vision. What else is not silence? No thing is silence, truly. But how do we get to no thing, no place, nowhere? Do we close down our receptors, our perceiving tools for sound and vibration? Or do we ascend above everything that is not silence until we truly discover the nature of existence, which is in the cosmic womb of silence? Hmm. Can journey a little bit closer towards silence by naming things that are not silence. So computer sound, bright light, feeling of caffeine stimulation, tension, hand in hand, foot on the floor. All these things are not silence. Feeling of my shirt against my skin, not silence. How about closing down the senses? That's where I feel closer to silence. Forget the mind, forget the form. Exist only. Wow. Now, if we had forever, I would sit there and I would journey further with that for at least a few hours because it's a beautiful meditation to take on. And the essence of that meditation is by naming everything that is not silence. And if you're able to label something that is not silence, then you know silence. We have all had silence somewhere. Perhaps it's a cellular memory, perhaps it's a spirit memory, perhaps it's an ancestral memory of silence. But because we know what not silence is not, we must know what silence is and truly find the journey to discover the eternal mystery and the true mystery that is silence.